In this lecture, we are going to see in detail the expansion coefficient of annihilation and creation operators. First, we will take a creation operator. In previous lecture, we have seen uh, when a number operator commit with the creation operator, it gives you the creation operator itself. So you expand left hand side, that is n a dagger minus a dagger n is equal to a dagger. Now what I am going to do is you bring the second term in the left side to right. Then you can take a dagger as common, then this will become n plus 1. So n a dagger is equal to a dagger n plus 1. Now, if n operate on get n, that is n get number operator act on get n gives you n get n, small n. Small n is an eigenvalue. So, this get n is a eigenget per number operator. So, naturally, a dagger n also the eigenvalue of eigenget of number operator. So if n operate on a dagger n, here we have seen n a dagger is n a dagger is equal to a dagger n plus 1. I have not changed the order of operator. A dagger n plus 1 get n. So what will happen if number operator act on get n? It produces the eigenvalue n plus 1. Of course, we have a dagger which act on get n. So as I said, a dagger n also eigenget of n. You are getting the eigenvalue n plus 1. So, in similar way, for annihilation operator, you know very well that the commutation of n with a dagger is minus a. Sorry, commutation of n with a is equal to minus a. That is creation annihilation operator with the negative sign. That you have to remember. So do the same thing here also. In similar way, you will get when n act on a n. Since n is an eigenvector of number operator, a n also eigenvector of number operator. So it produces n minus 1 uh, a which act on get n. So same thing. Here you got n plus 1. Here it is n minus 1. The meaning of this is when creation operator act on get n, it raises the value by 1, that is n plus 1. Similarly, when annihilation operator act on get n, it reduces the state by 1, that is n minus 1. Now we will see the expansion coefficient of creation operator. Let the we have the get vector n plus 1. How we obtained this? When a dagger creation operator act on n, get n, it produces n plus 1. That is, it increases the energy level by 1 with the expansion coefficient Cn. The modulus square of this expansion coefficient is, you know very well, it is nothing but probability. So you take inner product on both sides. So you take n plus 1 inner product. Now, if you convert this into bra vector, then this will become n a, because a dagger will become a. Already you have a dagger n. So you got then Cn will become, in this case it is Cn. So if you take the bra vector, it will be Cn star. So you will get modulus Cn squared n A dagger n. So what is A dagger? A dagger A, we know it is a number operator which is equal to 1. Sorry, it is a number operator. A dagger A is a number operator. A dagger A is number operator. When it act on the get n, it will produce eigenvalue of n. But what about this? Then we know the commutation of A with A dagger is equal to 1. That means A dagger minus A dagger A is 1. Now you bring second term to the right hand side. Then you will get A dagger A plus 1. So we know A dagger A is number operator n. So this will become n plus 1. So A dagger is n plus 1. I am replacing A dagger as n plus 1. Uh, then what about this right hand side? Sorry, left hand side, it is 1. So I am replacing this left hand side by 1 and right hand side modulus Cn squared bra n number operator plus 1 get n. When number operator n plus 1 act on n, it produces the eigenvalue n plus 1. Of course, this will become n plus 1 is a number you can take out of the inner product. So n plus 1, here you have bra n get n. So what about this value? This value is 1. So now we got modulus Cn squared n plus 1 is equal to 1. From this, that is modulus Cn squared n plus 1 is 1. Then what about Cn? Cn is equal to 1 over square root of n plus 1. You bring this to the other side and you take the square root. You will get this. Now you know the n plus 1 original expression you take. Get n plus 1 is Cn and A dagger which I can get n. So Cn we have seen here. Cn is equal to 1 over square root of n plus 1 A dagger n. You bring this to the other side. That is left hand side. What will happen? A dagger n, right hand side is A dagger n and left hand side will become square root of n plus 1 multiplied by the get vector n plus 1. So this is the expansion coefficient of uh, creation operator. So from that we got A dagger is equal to this one. So similarly we will see it for annihilation operator. So for the annihilation operator, let us take get n minus 1. So when annihilation operator act on n, it reduces the get vector by energy level 1. So n minus 1 with the expansion coefficient Cn, that is probability amplitude. So you take inner product on both sides. This will become n minus 1 get bra n minus 1 multiplied by get n minus 1. What about the right hand side? You have A which act on n. If you take 2l bra of this, you will get A dagger and this n vector n, A dagger n with the coefficient Cn star. Already that is Cn is there and you are multiplying by Cn star. So this can be taken as modulus Cn squared and you will take bra n A dagger here A dagger A dagger A is a number operator. So I have replaced A dagger A as the number operator. What about this value? inner product of n minus 1 with n minus 1 is 1 due to orthonormal property. So you will get Cn squared n and number operator get n, which is equal to 1 because left hand side is now 1. When number operator act on n, you will get eigenvalue n. So n is a number, you can take it out. Then this inner product will become n with n, so which is equal to 1. This is equal to 1, you remember that. That means the modulus Cn squared multiplied by n is equal to 1. So then the expansion coefficient or probability amplitude is equal to 1 over square root n. So now you take the first equation as it is. N minus 1, get n minus 1 is equal to Cn A act on get n. So here this Cn, from here we got Cn is equal to 1 over square root of n. So you bring this to the left hand side. Then naturally a get n will become square root of n get n minus 1. Already we have seen a dagger act on n, you will get the square root of n plus 1 get n plus 1. Here one interesting thing is when n is equal to 0 in the annihilation operator, what will happen? Square root of 0 is 0. So this entire product will be 0. So what about get? It is 0 minus 1. Minus 1 get minus 1. It cannot go below because when n is equal to 0, this coefficient will be 0. So naturally the entire thing will be 0. That means you cannot go beyond the ground level, below the ground level. And then already we got a dagger is square root of n plus 1, get n plus 1. It's a really interesting thing. We have not made any assumption. Here if n is equal to 0, you will get square root of 1. Then 0 plus 1 is 1, get 1. So here you will get first excited state. Here what will happen if n is equal to 1? 1 minus 1 is 0. So ground state, you will get ground state. Here if n equal to 0, you will get first excited state. So naturally it appears n plus 1. Here there is no n minus 1, interestingly, no n minus 1. If it is n minus 1, when n is 0, you will get the square root of minus 1. It is a non-trivial solution. So we got very nice relation. If you find this lecture interesting one, kindly subscribe. Also share and join my channel for the growth of my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video and supporting me continuously. Thank you very much.